Hello everyone! Let me introduce my group. We are from group 6.
My name is Bunga as a leader group.
My name is Cinta as a presenter.
My name is Felicia as a presenter.
My name is Delvin as a presenter. My name is Vincent as a presenter.
My name is David as presenter.
Hello, let me introduce my group 6. Here we will discuss about implants. Our group will explain about cochlear implant. A cochlear implant is an electronic device that is placed under the skin behind the ear to help people with severe hearing loss. A cochlear implant will help patients hear sounds and understand speech around them. And a cochlear implant will help patients who have hearing loss to damage to the cochlea. An implant will be used to support or replace a specific foundation in the body. It will help improve healthy or solve a medical problem. Doctor will insert the implant through surgery and it will stay in the body for a long time. In the future, implant will become more advanced and activity in helping patients. The doctor will insert an implant for the damaged bone, muscle. The implant will help restore foundation and apprehension. The patient will feel more comfortable after the production. Cochlear implants will improve communication skills from individuals with severe hearing loss. Cochlear implants will continue to develop in the future, producing clear and with sound and editing to the needs of users.
Inventor of the cochlear implant. Number 1. Andre de Jomon and Charles Arius invented the original cochlear implant in 1957. Their design distributed simulation using a single channel. William House also discovered the cochlear implant in 1961. And in 1976, Professor Clark discovered the bionic cochlear implant. His research has given the gift of hearing to profoundly deaf people around the world. To date, 33,000 people in 123 countries have benefited, including 15,500 children. Hospitals that provide cochlear implant placement. Number 2. In North Sumatra, Medan, cochlear implants are really available at Adam Malik General Hospital, Medan, so they have really performed the first operation to install 16 cochlear implants in Sumatra. Cochlear implant price. Number 3. The cost of a cochlear implant in Indonesia ranges from 150 550 million Indonesian rupiah. The cost of cochlear implant can vary depending on several factors, such as whether the operations are performed simultaneously or sequentially, whether the patient has insurance, whether there are other additional costs. What percentage of people have hearing loss? Number 4. The World Health Organization estimates that around 466 million people worldwide have hearing loss, which is around 6.1% of the world's population.
A cochlear implant is a device used to help individuals with a severe or complete hearing loss. The following are some of the positive and negative impact of using cochlear implant. Positive impact. Number 1, hearing improvement. Number 2, better quality of life. Number 3, brain stimulation. Number 4, restoration of community ability. Negative impact. Number 1, cost and accessibility. Number 2, adjustment process. Number 3, possible infection or medical problem. Number 4, not a perfect solution.
A cochlear implant is a tool that consists of two parts. The first is an external part, which will be worn in the patient's earlobe, and the second is an internal unit, where through surgery, the internal unit will be installed under the scalp in the ear area. Cochlear implants are very useful for deaf people. Their very clear sound will help a deaf person hear.
A cochlear implant is an aid consisting of two parts, namely the external part will be worn on the patient earlobe and the outer part or external processor has an antenna whose function is to transmit information or energy to the internal unit. The internal unit is an implant unit that is installed through surgery. Why can cochlear implant occur? Because most Indonesian children have significant hearing loss damage to the inner ear.
1. Cost and accessibility. 2. Adjustments process. 3. Possible infection or medical problem. 4. Not a perfect solution. Positive impact. 1. Hearing improvement. 2. Better quality of life. 3. Brain stimulation. 4. Restoration of communication ability. A cochlear implant is a device used to help individuals with severe or complete hearing loss. The following are some of the positive and negative impact of using cochlear implant.
Ever wondered how cochlear implants restore hearing? Let's take a closer look at the process. Cochlear implant surgery offers sound perception to individuals with severe hearing loss. It starts with a careful incision behind the ear to access the inner structures. The surgeon then creates a tiny opening in the cochlea, the spiral-shaped part of the inner ear responsible for sound detection. Next, they insert a thin electrode array into the cochlea. This array will send electrical signals directly to the auditory nerve, bypassing damaged hair cells that usually transmit sound. An external processor is then placed around the ear. This device captures sound, which is processed and sent to the implant under the skin. This implant converts sound into electrical signals that stimulate the auditory nerve, allowing the brain to interpret these signals as sound. Over time, recipients work with audiologists to adjust and fine-tune the device, gradually learning to recognize sounds and improve hearing comprehension.
Ranting, tidak kepiting, thanks for watching.